Hello, my name's Rob Williams and I'm the Technical and Training Manager for GateSafe, and I'd like to talk about aluminium gates. Aluminium gates are becoming increasingly popular, and we're finding a lot of both swing and sliding gates, normally in the more kind of domestic arena. And although they look very good, we are coming across a few problems with them. Aluminium is quite a soft material and is very malleable. So when we're actually fitting things to the gates, we need to make sure that the structure maintains its correct rigidity and strength. Quite often we'll be putting ram brackets onto the box section rails of the gates, and we've seen it repeatedly where through over tightening of the brackets the box section has actually been crushed and buckled, and of course that weakens that point in the gate and also means that potentially the actual brackets could slip along the rail. Also, wind loading is a massive factor with all types of fully boarded gates, and we are seeing over travel because of the lack of end stops with certain types. Of course, if a swing gate is allowed to go past its desired open or close position, it could actually wrap itself around its own post and destroy the hinges. So of course, as with any other type of swing gate, it is really important that we make sure that we've got three solid points of contact. They're either three hinges or two hinges and some suitable fall arrest tether involved. The posts that we use to hang the gates from are as equally as important as the gate structures. If you're considering using aluminium posts, then it's very important that we make sure that they're actually of suitable wall thickness to support the structures, and that they're dug into the correct depth if they're dug in posts, and if base plated, making sure that the foundations are solid and suitable and the fixings that are used are going to support the structures as well. Now, with sliding aluminium gates, we do see that they flex a lot, and because of their increased surface area, they can be very susceptible to wind loading again. And we've seen examples of tracked sliding gates actually being derailed because of the wind getting hold of them. So therefore it's very important that we make sure that we've got suitable structures either side of the gate with enough points of supports, making sure that we've got enough roller assemblies to hold the gate up and keep it rigid throughout its movement. And again, strong physical end stops are an absolute must, making sure that they are at both ends of the gates and will actually be able to stop the gate from any potential over travel. So in conclusion, I think there are a lot of things to take into consideration where we're considering using aluminium gates. Certainly they do look very good, and from the outside may seem very suitable for purpose, but this is one area where I think quality really does matter. We've seen very strong aluminium gates, but of course that does have a cost implication, so please be very wary about buying cheap internet aluminium gates, because even though they might look quite good from the outside, the chances are they're not going to have anywhere near the rigidity required to be a component of your machine.